How do you feel?
I just feel so elated, you know.
Yeah.
I actually decided because of him that I would just put my name on a ballot and run for an office
Well,
myself.
good for you.
And I won.
That's fantastic.
I did that because in my neighborhood there's so many Republican people, and the young women were saying to me that they felt intimidated when they told their neighbors that they were Democrats, and even to celebrating Martin Luther King, that they had being ostracized because they did that, and they wanted to form a club, and I said, I'm sorry, but I can't do that because I'm an American and I'm not afraid. So I put my name on the ballot as kind of a protest.
I'm proud of you.
And I won.
That's fantastic.
So now I'm doing community organizing in my neighborhood.
In Tampa, Florida. Great.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
It's Frederica Barrow.
Frederica Barrow. Proud to meet you.
Yeah, so District 363, we won in our county.
And you feel like you're on a pilgrimage now with this whole experience?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh, there goes somebody.
Very much.
Because I wasn't able to come to the March on Washington, and I always regretted that.
Yeah.
And I always said, you know, I'm not going to regret this. I'm coming to this.
I don't know. I don't think anybody had any.
Yes.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just trying to